Oh, his name,
Try to say أرحبوا أرحبوا يلا حيهم
يلا حيهم
يا مرحبا.
يا مرحبا.
What's that mean? What's that mean?
It's mean you are welcome. Do you want to join us? Where are you going?
Town somewhere. I don't know.
Where?
Yeah, that's what I'm listening to. Wherever.
What?
Wherever we can.
Wherever.
Yeah, okay. So, would you like to join us?
Yeah, where you going?
Over the moon.
Over the moon?
Yeah.
If you can get to the moon, mate, I'll give you a fucking £1,000.
Come on. We've tried it many times.
What, go over the moon?
Yeah.
Have you been there?
You're fucking crazy, man.
Okay, no, we.
Yeah.
This is. No. This is a secret.
Bridget, they reckon they're going over the moon. They reckon they're going over the fucking moon.
You know, just catch bus number 13. It's so easy.
Hey, don't record it, man.
No, I'm not.